Guy caught one that was 20 pounds.
Wait.
That's a koi
But
fish?
they weigh it, yeah.
That's
You
a
could keep those fish.
And they have a leg.
Oh no, guys! I think the fish left. I don't know where it is now.
it went.
Oh, not in this one. The one in
Yeah, I
the-
think it left.
when you-
Wait, it's not.
I can swim one up.
at the end of the day.
No, it's too big.
It's too heavy.
Yeah, it's. Wait, I said. No. Wait, I think small ones are.
I want to pick that baby up.
Well, no, they come around because they know the turtle eat, so they want to eat too.
And Dito, we should have bought the turtle food, Nyla.
There was no turtle food at the store.
Yes, there was.
No, there wasn't.
I wonder if you could find chips because I have some chips.
Moss baby, moss baby. I call that one a moss baby.
Yeah, same. I was rather bring them on.
Food on
Turn around.
But you gotta throw it out so we can see them swimming and getting it, Nyla.
it. ¿Cómo?
Tíraselo para allá para que ellos lo cojan.
Ellos no les gustan el pan, ellos lo que quieren es que ellos son carnivores. Carnivores
No,
es
pero mira.
todo lo que comen.
Oh my
Sí, le
God.
cae directo en el estómago. Es bien
The girl made
dañino.
me touch
They don't
the
digest carbs.
turtle.
People
I
don't know
touched
it though. Yeah.
Hi guys, are you chilling? Chill. Hi, moss baby.
Yeah, that's moss baby.
Well, take a picture for when
There's
I
lots of moss
I have
babies.
multiple pictures.
No, let me show.
Wait, I want to pick you up. You. Turn around.
I touched them again.
Oh,
Too heavy.
why are you not turning around? You, turn around.
Wait, I'll try spotting a baby.
I see a lot of babies, but they're, oh, dragonfly.
Come up, they drop them on that
Oh my
step.
gosh. Wait, I think a
And they
baby's
drag their
coming
back.
towards me.
Yeah, there's some that are crying. Look at this one, look at that one, look. Somebody, no, this one. Look at the back, see?
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, they
I
drop
see.
them here, and I tell them not to pick them up, but people, you know, they just want to have fun with them. Not, they don't
Wait,
need it.
small ones.
Oh, this is you? I wasn't sorry. I thought it was for my brother.
Huh?
You can pat their back.
Good boy.
Now you can pet them.
Okay, yeah.
No.
I think that was actually. Oh my god! I literally petted a fish, and this turtle was right there, and I started to hit it, and it started to come close. I was like, oh no.
Because
Oh,
they
wait.
think, moss baby, hi.
Hi, mouse baby.
Look, see, they try to eat my finger because they don't have good eyesight, so they try and eat the finger, see? They're so cute. None of the turtles are really weird. They're all like far away. Yeah.
Lady got pooped in. I should come closer.
No, she gives them enough food. It's not big. Come on, Nyla.
That's good. They're not eating bread.
No, they
Come on,
are.
Nyla. Going where? Over there. Where? There's nothing to do over there. That's not restaurant.
Next week, go over there. I want to get the menu for the rest of the week. We're going to go there next week.
Going there? What?
Yeah, no, I'd rather stay here.
I'll be back.
Yeah, no problem. You know, you could actually touch them.
I can touch them.
Yeah, you could just, if the safest way, if the turtle turns, then you could pat them. A girl, oh. No, I'm not feeding them that. No, don't you dare. No, Daddy! Papa, you don't know if it's healthy for them. Papa.
Look at the big one, look at the big one. Look at that. Look at the big one right here. It's right under there.
You're feeding them chips. Well, I just like one of them.
What'd you say?
Throw in the bowl. I'll just put it in and go come. Uh-oh. Here, I'll give you another feather. What? No, I'll tell you what the... Oh, I see a big one.
That's a little bit like
Yeah, he's big. Did you know? Did you know?
Ok, póngase ya al lado, aguante, porque mira, le rompe, mucha gente le deja caer, le rompe la espalda.
You don't stand up, okay? You can